Smart Water Monitoring Solution, an application story from ICP DAS USA. ICP DAS USA has many solutions for different applications, including green technology. A smart water solution was put into action using our I/O modules, pack controllers, and SCADA software. To create an efficient smart water monitoring solution, water quality has to be constantly monitored by sensors. These sensors can acquire values such as the total plate count, total hardness, and the pH value. The acquired data will be sent to the XP8331 CE6 pack via the I87017ZW analog input module and the standard type of 420 MA analog signals. The XP8331 CE6 pack will then exchange the data and calculate the quality of the water system. If an exceptional situation occurs, the XP8331 CE6 pack will immediately report and save the details to the host computer. The I87054W is a DI and DO module that can read data from valve switch control modules and is responsible for controlling the water quantity, and regularly returns data to the XP8331 CE6 automation controller. If the water quantity or the valve function is disabled, the XP8331 CE6 will report the status to the host computer. In the process called flocculation, coagulant chemicals will be added to the water to combine the majority of the non-settling particles together into heavier solids. During the flocculation process, the raw water that contains heavier solids will flow into a sub-tank, allowing the water to stand for a period of time, but enabling the removal of the solids. Several tanks are needed, as each sub-tank has a capacity limit. The I87057W DO modules are used to control the sub-tanks, and when it becomes full, the water will be directed to the next available tank. By building a remote monitoring system on a server using SCADA software, the acquired data can be clearly presented in a visualized way. The XP8331 CE6 pack quickly transmits data to the SCADA system via the Modbus RTU TCP protocol, guaranteeing that any abnormal signals can be immediately reported to the host computer. This smart water monitoring system is able to successfully help the personnel visualize all monitoring data and improve work efficiency. To learn more, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.